Hello guys, welcome back. It's time to finish our project setup. Last step we need to do is set up Babel, so we can use latest JavaScript features. We need to install 4 Babel packages. So let's open terminal and type npm install. Again, we want to save it to dev dependencies. And now we need to set all the packages for Babel. So first is add Babel/core. Second is add Babel/CLI. Next is add Babel/preset-env. And the last one is add Babel/register. It sounds a little bit complicated, but don't worry. All we have to do is to install these packages, and then we will create a simple configuration file for Babel, and that's it. And all these packages will handle everything behind the scenes. So now just wait until everything is done. And again, if you open package.json, you should see these 4 Babel packages here: CLI, core, preset-env, and register. And now the next step is go to the root of the project, create new file, and we need to babel config.js. Again, you can see it has a nice icon. And for this, I'm gonna just copy paste the configuration like this and hit enter. And don't worry, you don't need to type it. I'm gonna put it in the notes right behind this video, so you can copy paste it from there. I'm gonna also put a prettier source code, so you will have both in the notes. And if you are using a different version of Node, for example Node 14, don't forget you need to change Node version here. And since I'm using version 12, I'm gonna leave the version 12 here. So let me close it. And now we need to open the video config. I need to scroll down to the Mocha options, and here I need to enable the Babel simply by typing require, and here I will specify add Babel/register and save it, and that's it. And our project is now ready. I hope you like it so far and you didn't have any troubles with setup. If yes, please write me a message. I will try to help you. And in the next section, we can start with creating our first WebdriverIO test. So stay tuned and see you there.